Hey Ma, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, we are back with another hair tutorial. So today I will be showing you guys exactly how I installed this wig glueless. Well, I would say about 95% glueless. Well, technically it's 100% glueless, but I did use spray on the sides, but you guys will see. So if you guys want to see exactly how I got this look, then just continue to watch. So as you guys noticed, this video will be sponsored by Sofeel wigs, and the wig is actually a dark 99J transparent lace burgundy straight 13x4 lace frontal. The length that I have is 20 inches, and I believe this is a 150% density. The lace did come pre-plucked, and it is a transparent lace. So as you guys know, when it comes to transparent lace or HD lace, it is a lot easier to install. I did go ahead and bleach the knots, and I believe I only left the bleach on for about 35 minutes. Alright, so now it is time to get the install started. So I don't know if you guys can notice in this clip here, I did go ahead and tint the lace. I use my Ebin lace tint, and I believe the color is warm dark brown. I will have it listed in the description box down below. But the reason why I'm putting the wig on my head is, first, I want to see exactly how it's fitting, making sure that it's not too loose or anything like that. And I also do need to cut the sides, being that this is a 13x4. So I'm going to show you guys like a close-up of exactly how I do that, but it's pretty simple. I kind of just cut up a line towards the beginning of my ear, well, like right next to my earlobe, and then I cut whatever is remaining from the behind my ear. So I hope that makes sense, but yeah, it's a lot easier to watch. But once I finish this, then we're going to go ahead and get started with sewing on the elastic band, and I'll show you guys exactly how I do that. Alrighty, so once I finish cutting around my ears, as you guys can see, it's looking really good. It's laying very well. Right now I'm just kind of seeing exactly where I need to sew on the elastic band by tugging on the lace. So I decided to basically sew the elastic band close to where the combs are on each side. Now after I do this, I'm going to let you guys know that I probably could have went up a little bit more, and also made the elastic band a little bit smaller so that it was tighter. But you know, it's a little harder to do it with the 13x4s and 13x6s. When it comes to closure wigs, it's a lot easier. But yeah, I mean, it still worked out, but I just wanted to let you guys know that. So as you guys can see, I'm giving you a close-up as to how I sew it on. It's literally just this simple. Like literally what you're watching is exactly how you do it. It's very simple. The one thing that I would just let you guys know is to just make sure that the elastic band will be tight enough. That way you're not sewing it on for no reason and it still doesn't fit. So yeah. Alrighty, so it is sewed on. As you guys can see, it's on both sides. Like I said, I could have went up a little bit more, but I was afraid to do that only because I still had to pluck the wig, even though it came pre-plucked, so I didn't have to pluck much. But I didn't want to pluck and then you literally saw the elastic band, you know. But this is one of those things where it's like you can literally just fix it whenever you want to. But I was okay for now because where my forehead area is, it was perfectly fine. Like I didn't have to use spray there or anything like that. It was just on the sides, basically where my temples were down to my ears. So that's where I used my Ebin adhesive spray just to make sure that the wig was secure in those areas. Now, if you wanted to be lazy and you didn't want to do that, you wanted to just leave it the way it is, then that's, you know, your prerogative. If that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do. But because I was going to do like kind of like a half up, half down style, I wanted to make sure that the secure was fully laid down. Okay, so after I finish doing this, you guys will see me cut off the additional lace and start the plucking process. So I'm going to let you guys watch that, and then I'll come back towards the styling process. Alright, so now that the wig is laid and she's looking natural and all nice and pretty, I'm going to cut out like kind of these two little, I don't know what you would call it, fangs. I'm going to cut these parts out because I'm going to curl them separately. So I'll leave these parts out, and I do kind of cut them a little bit shorter as well. Right now I'm just kind of making these parts here just so I can have a little mini ponytail in the middle of my head, I guess you could say. And after I do the ponytail, I take a little piece of the hair and wrap it around the rubber band. That way you don't see the rubber band. I'm sorry, I can't talk today. But yeah, that way you don't see the rubber band. And afterwards, I just use my curling iron and put some curls in it. So it's pretty simple, you guys. So I'm gonna let you guys watch, and then I will come back towards the end. Alrighty, you guys, so that's pretty much the end of the tutorial. I did have to curl like these little bang parts multiple times, by the way, to get it the exact way that I wanted it to, but yeah. But as you guys can see, the hair came out super cute. I'm in love with the color. I'm in love with the lace. It was super easy to work with. I want to thank Sofeel Wigs for sponsoring today's video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed as well. Everything will be listed in the description box. I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.